I must unfortunately tell you that just seconds before I went on, right now I heard that Sarah Beckstrom of West Virginia, one of the guardsmen that we're talking about, highly respected, young, magnificent person, started service in June of 2023, outstanding in every way. She's just passed away. She's no longer with us. She's looking down at us right now. Her parents are with her. It's just happened. She was savagely attacked. She's dead. She's not with us. Incredible person. Outstanding in every single way, in every department. That's horrible. As you know, the other young man is fighting for his life. He's in very bad shape. He's fighting for his life, and hopefully we'll get better news with respect to him. And the monster that did this is also in serious condition.
U.S. Attorney for Washington, D.C., Janine Pirro, identified the two wounded guards as Sarah Beckstrom, 20, and Andrew Wolf, 24. She said they had been sworn in as National Guard members fewer than 24 hours before the shooting. Pirro said the suspect ambushed the two while they were patrolling near the White House. Armed with a powerful handgun, he shot one guardsman who fell and then shot again before firing multiple times at the second guardswoman. The FBI searched multiple properties in a widening probe, including a home in Washington state linked to the suspect, identified as 29-year-old Rahmanullah Lakanwa. Investigators seized numerous electronic devices from the suspect's house in Washington state, including cell phones, laptops, and iPads. Officials said Lakanwa was part of a CIA-backed unit in Afghanistan before coming to the US in 2021 under a resettlement program.